CivicConnect revolutionizes city engagement with real-time updates and AI-powered assistance, making navigation and access to services seamless. The welcome screen delivers live updates and quick shortcuts fully customizable to city branding. The built-in AI assistant provides instant answers, multilingual support, and real-time directions. Our smart wayfinding guides users with step-by-step navigation, while dynamic animated directions provide smooth, engaging visuals for efficient travel. CivicConnect is also able to generate revenue through advertising and sponsorships, running digital images, videos, and signages on interactive kiosks. Stay informed with events calendar integration, providing real-time updates and navigation. Navigate complex spaces with multi-level directions, offering seamless indoor and outdoor positioning. Native integrations connect event calendars, widgets, and social media, creating a unified experience. Search and navigation provides fast access to city services with an intuitive interface and smart shortcuts. And with mobile handoff, users are able to start at a kiosk and continue navigation right on their smartphones. CivicConnect is the future of smart city interactions, enhancing accessibility, engagement, and efficiency. To learn more about our awesome smart city applications, please visit eflyn.com.